I'm coming in with another cooking video, just something quick that I normally do when I can't think of something to cook. So it's gonna be stovetop lasagna. I got this recipe from a can of pasta sauce. I think it was Hunt's. It was on the, you know how they have the recipes on the back of the cans or the bottles or whatever. And I've been doing this recipe ever since. It only takes about 20 minutes to do, and it's good. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. Okay, you need some ground beef. We usually get this from Costco's. We get it in a whole big old tray, and it's actually already divided out, and we just wrap it up and freeze it. So you'll need hamburger meat, some kind of cheese, some kind of noodles. You don't have to use the large elbow noodles. You could just use whatever noodles that you like, and some pasta. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to cook the hamburger meat and then start boiling the pasta, and we're gonna get started. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. Let's get this video started. These are the seasonings I'm using. Noodles boiling. Okay, the pasta is done. And I like to season it with the garlic butter, but like I said, you could just do it with salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil, whatever you choose, or you don't have to do this step at all. But I like to season my pasta just so everything could have a flavor. That's just me. Some people don't do it like this, but I do. And this is the butter. This is the butter I'm using. We get this from Sam's. We got membership at Sam's and Costco, but they sell this at Sam's, and I can't even think of the price of it, I mean. But this is actually really good. Okay, the ground beef is done. Now we're gonna add some pasta sauce to it. I like to add a tablespoon of sugar to my pasta. It balances out the acid in the spaghetti sauce, the pasta sauce. Some people don't like to do that, but I do. Now we're adding the pasta to the sauce. Okay, it's all mixed in. Now after this, you just kind of want to add the cheese on the top. Okay, now this is what you should have. Just put the lid on top of it so the cheese could melt, and then after that, it'll be done. Okay, I think we're gonna eat some of this sweet kale salad with it. This is actually really, really good, and it's super healthy. I don't think the kids like it very much, but I like it, so whatever. They need more vegetables, so this is good. Like I said, we bought this from Sam's as well. Okay, this is what the salad looks like. This is just a little package of the cranberries and pumpkin seeds. This is the sauce that comes with it. I normally add just a few of this inside the salad, just because it's just so much better. You don't have to add this, but I like this. So I'm gonna add this, and this is gonna be what we have on the side. And because this salad dressing isn't enough, I'm just gonna add maybe a couple of spoonfuls of this dressing. This dressing is so good, but it's not better than the other, the Fiji apple one, but this is pretty good. I went on to add a handful of those nuts and the ones that came in the packaging. And that's all we got to do now is just mix it up, and it's ready. Okay, so this is what we came up with. Just a nice, healthy dessert. Salad. Yes, grapes. Salad and pasta, and dessert will be grapes. You don't have to have cake and ice cream and all that stuff. Think on a healthy tip. Be healthy. Use what you have. You don't have to go out and make a fancy dessert or a fancy meal. This is your family, so You on the budget? Be on the budget. Think healthy. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave a comment at the bottom. See y'all in the next one. Alright, peace.